So hi dear students, in this class now we are going to learn clearly about relation between angular momentum and moment of inertia. L I మధ్య relation derive చేయబోతున్నాం. That is we are going to derive the formula L is equals to I omega in system of particles and rotational motion. Enter first year physics, class 11 physics. So in the previous video we explained angular momentum clearly and also moment of inertia clearly and angular velocity clearly. All those topics are there in the playlist system of particles and rotational motion. So now derivation of L is equals to I omega. We know that linear momentum is the product of mass and velocity. So P is equals to M into V అనేది తెలుసు, product of mass and velocity of the body. And also we know that relation between angular linear velocity V and angular velocity V, omega V is equals to R omega. So this was also derived clearly. Important question for 4 marks. So derivation of V is equals to R omega. So then substitute the formula of V in this equation. So then P is equals to M. V means R omega. So MR into omega. So we know that angular momentum L is equals to product of perpendicular distance and linear momentum అనేది తెలుసు కాబట్టి సో L is equals to R into P. అప్పుడు P బదులు మనం ఏం రాసుకున్నాము అంటే MR into omega. Therefore L is equals to R into P means MR into omega. Then L is equals to mr square into omega. But we know that moment of inertia I is equals to mr square. So ఈ mr square బదులు మనం I రాస్తే L is equals to I omega. That is why angular momentum of a body in rotatory motion L is equals to product of moment of inertia and angular velocity omega. That is why L is equals to I into omega. That's all this explanation.